Floyd's looking impressive tonight. After being out of the ring for what, 16 months? You think he never left. Here goes Ortiz.
But again, missing.
Oh, he used the head. He hit the head.
Wait, that's a wait, here we go. He's going to take away a point. He's going to take away a point. That's it. The streak just came out of Victor Ortiz.
Oh!
He knocked it down. Unbelievable.
What happened there?
He stepped on his foot when he had the right hand.
Did the referee say box? He didn't say box.
Yes.
He's done. He's done. He's done. Woo.
Let's take a look at this replay. The Floyd Mayweather Jr. now 42-0. 26 spins were
The
way
Joker
back
did
up.
say to box. Did he tell the guys to box? I don't know if he said that or not.
He did say, and you know the
He did
rule
say.
of boxing is protect yourself at all times. That is what has to be understood.
Ortiz doesn't even know what happened to him.
Protect yourself at all times. Those are the instructions since you first lace on the gloves.
But for me tonight, Floyd Mayweather actually looked impressive. He came forward, picked his shots well. Ortiz got dirty, then he knocks him out.
Ortiz does not know what happened. And there you see Floyd Mayweather Jr. and he says, if Manny Pacquiao is willing to take a test, an Olympic-like test, we can see that fight. And you know what?
Should happen.
The world wants to see that fight
They
right
don't
there.
want to see it. Just do the test. Let's get the fight done. Both guys will make $50 million, but the fans want to see it.
Look at those eyes.
He's gone. He doesn't even know what happened to him.
Those eyes are back in Ventura, California, someplace.
He gave it a go in the first couple rounds, but you know what? He got dirty. He used his head. Then he steps back. Referee says box. Get knocked out.
Desperate times for Victor Ortiz, and he resorted to street-like tactics to lead with his head. 24 years old, he can continue, but the man in the moment right now is 34-year-old Floyd Mayweather Jr. Here it is.
Boom. Great uppercut. Right hand from Ortiz. I think it's where he uses the head.
Here he comes right here.
But look, he's doing well. A good combination. All of a sudden, what happened? He did something cracking him. And here he goes with the head. Here we go. Boom. What was that all about?
He was frustrated, Wayne. Two misses. Two bad misses.
He missed shots.
And now here he goes. Here it is.
Referee said box.
Box on. He took the
Did he say box?
Yes.
Did he say box? He didn't. I thought that the referee didn't tell him to box.
He did not.
The referee did not tell him to box.
Wayne, I made the point at the very beginning of the fight to ask you about Joe Cortez.
The referee was looking the other